Hey, welcome to this month's Missions Moment for Youth,
where you get the inside scoop
about missionary kids
around the world.
I'm your host, Zoe.
And I'm Bobby.
And I'm glad to be back.
In Belgium, the Hoffman kids share encouraging stories from their everyday lives. Kira and Vienna volunteer at a secondhand donation store. One of the regular customers was a Wiccan woman, and the girls would often invite her to church whenever she stopped by. She finally came one Sunday and prayed to be saved. What a transformation. The youngest two, Vienna and Judah, have a passion for baseball and constantly invite their teammates to church. Joab creates videos for the services. He and all the others pitch in with setting up the church, cleaning, and anything else that needs to be done. The kids' prayer request includes wisdom for their futures as they grow older, especially for those who are preparing to leave home.
The Cormiers to the deaf in Kenya are fervently serving, where the oldest, Seth, has completed and graduated from his dad's Kenyan Sign Language classes. He is now a trained interpreter and interprets for the deaf during their church services. Seth also teaches Sunday school each week. Their second oldest, Sabrina, will be taking the same KSL classes and learn to interpret as well. Brother Cormier and missionary Brother Billy Cooley teaches at the church's Bible Institute, which Seth and Sabrina also attend. The two youngest, Shanna and Stacy, lay out songbooks and Bibles on the chairs to help set up for church services at the elementary school, where they are currently meeting. All of the children enjoy helping with the Bible clubs within the community. The Cormiers ask that you pray for wisdom for Seth and Mr. and Mrs. Cormier, as this is Seth's last term in Kenya.
Over in Mexico, Sydney, Ethan, Leora, and Lillian King all pitch in quite a bit, helping with special music each week. Sydney plays the piano in church on Sundays and Wednesdays, and all of the kids go out every week passing out John and Romans. Please keep this family in your prayers, especially their oldest son, Camden. He recently fell 32 feet while working here in the U.S. and was flown to a nearby hospital where they performed 2 surgeries on his broken femur and wrist. Camden has gone through physical therapy and is now resting. Pray for Camden's recovery, the family's safety, and many blessings in the ministry. Would you take time to pray right now for these missionary kids around the world?
For more information, you can find these prayer letters at BibleBaptistFairbanks.com, or you can go to JuniorChurchLive.com.
Thank you so much for watching this month's Missions Moment for Youth, and I'll see you next month.
I'm glad to be back.
Welcome to this month's Missions Moment for Youth. I'm your host, Zoe.
And I'm mowing the lawn.
So
baby, I don't like snakes, but I do like KFC, sound fried chicken. 10 children, it's not 10. Thank you so much for listening to this month's Mission Moment. See you next month.